much, ECB. Thank you.
ECB don't vex.
You don't vex today. Low lit. Low lit, yo. Even if I get my bed, low lit. Anyway, when I come back on top of the next show, in case you just they join us, seconds ago, we just mentioned the topic we discussed. And husband and wife, we just married like 2 years ago. Then they work for the same company, international company, when the business just enter Nigeria. So you not to take the increased salary of the wife, but the husband own they not increase them. But you not come to take again. Company can't change their policy. Can't talk say husband and wife not go to day for the same company, not go the same for the same department. All those things. One of them now gas resign. The question what they ask you where they there now. Now make the wife where they earn more money make she resign. I've been at the man make he resign. Our phone numbers there on top of TV. Make you begin call us, make we know what you think about this matter. Or if you go on top of the Twitter handle at W9 Show, make we know what you think about this matter. Begin call us, make we know. Anyway, make we start with inside studio here. Easy bit, over to you now. Easy bit over to you. Answer.
Well. If Namisha, but I think say it will make sense. Since now the lady na money na big pass, it will make sense. Make the man calm down. No. See. What? No. Okay.
As an Igbo one.
No. If not, it go make sense. Make the man calm down. You calm down. Not me say you don't resign. Say you not go work again.
No, you go resign now.
No. When
you say make the woman stay the work, make the man go happy.
Make the man chill first. You understand? Because the thing just be like say now sense now you won't use here. Let's assume say the man they collect 150, and the woman they collect 350.
No, the woman they collect that kind of.
Oh, they talk better one you.
Calm down, John.
So you say make the woman.
Make the woman continue. Make the man calm down first. At least as the man calm down, make him look for something else they do. Because me no go exhaust the woman life now. But if you say make the woman calm down, make the man continue.
If it's hard for the woman to get work, another work.
You understand? No. But even if say maybe. The woman step down, then the man continue. For my own opinion, the woman step down, the man continue. Then, knowing the fact that the man money is small.
Yes.
So for how long the man money go to sustain the family before the woman will get another job?
Make I ask you one question now. You know how work wakadi for Nigeria? You know. What if the man come out for work now? The one where in C, he resign come out because of saying his wife did there. You know how? How long it go take for the man to take?
From Benin.
From Benin, good evening.
I go answer,
How you there, my brother?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Johnson.
Yeah, make the man resign.
Make the man resign?
Yes.
Make the woman stay for the company?
No, make the woman stay.
Why make the man resign?
Why you want to make the man resign?
Johnson, you don't talk your own conco.
All right, no wahala. Thank you very much, Johnson.
You know that thing where they talk. I say, if the man come out the work, the woman fit just put some small money together. Say, okay, at the end of the month, if I fit save this kind of money, I could give you the money, make you take start business.
Because it's here, more face this thing. Forget say we just say anybody when you tell this thing for the top of the gist. When you're going, no, I made the man resign. You know, go how many houses you don't go when they say the man not the work.
I go just spread.
The man go just spread like
virus
on the bed.
It could be better.
How it be?
Neru, I beg leave this matter. Me will talk.
From what? Good evening. No, I know which are the talk.
Nedu,
Joy, good evening. No.
Nedu. This is a matter, a very serious matter.
Thank you, my sister.
It's a very serious matter. The matter is critical. Well.
Now I make the guy say we could not give him answer. What he go do?
Easy be the talk. So now correct one. Easy be the talk. So. You never tell me how many children the man get to. How many children they get?
They get 2 children.
Who go they take care of the children? If the woman can't resign now, how they want to take care of the children now? So now the man go resign. Easy be the talk correct words. Now the man go resign. The man figure out more money. They say open small business for the man. Make the man they take the manage.
Okay. So now who are going to take care of the children for house?
Joy.
Like cement business, like cement store.
Who go come and take care of the children for house?
And the man go fit, they take care of the small, they run the shop, they take care of the children.
All right, now no wahala, Joy. Thank you. Louis from Lagos, good evening.
Yeah.
Louis,
because...
Louis don't cut. Call us back. You see that thing why they talk? of course, when them two been the work, person pay. When I been discuss this issue earlier with somebody, they say now this man matter we want discuss today. Now the person tell me what he feel. Say what me I feel. I say what I feel. It comes okay. If now the woman resign, okay, the person na the woman say make the man resign, make the man go house, make the woman dey work. I can't ask him say what how who go come take care, because the way man go take care of children, not be the way woman go take care of the children. Who go come take care of the children? The person can ask me. The person can ask me say who been they take care of the children when them two been they work? I agree. Then get house girl, but you wait.
They don't know how you go argue this thing, because nobody say the woman don't travel or nobody say the woman don't die. She could still they come back house now.
See, easy
well,
bit,
all
easy
this one now,
But no, see, there are different type of men. Some men they very, very proud.
Yes.
You go say, why would I be in the house and my wife will be working? What kind of man am I? You know,
You go challenge them now, me go get the business to do.
From Zaria, good evening.
So may they sit down, they go fit pay school fees of children.
Esther, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, what do you get to talk about this matter?
This is our topic today. Because since na family matter, the thing tough small.
My sister.
If na me be the man,
Yes.
I go. If he see say the wife they low-headed,
Yes.
you understand?
Level-headed.
If the woman they low-headed.
Thank you, Esther.
You dey hear?
I dey hear you.
If the woman they low-headed, where he be say later when he drop as he resign from the work,
Yes.
she no go climb on top and say I'm the breadwinner, I'm this and that. Make him step down. Since her own salary pass her husband, you understand?
Okay.
But if the woman no dey
level-headed,
she wants to say ahead, she be ganja at the end of the day. The thing will get small problem. You understand?
Yes.
But if not the woman be say she dey fear God, wey she dey respect him, make she step down, make him step down, make the woman continue. Later, if he help the woman feel help her for business now.
Okay. Okay.
Even apart from work, small business, the way person will take sustain family, wahala, anyhow way be.
Okay. Okay.
So me, I suppose to make the man come down if the woman dey low head. Since I won't pay, pass her husband.
All right. No, Allah, Esther, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Obina say, Obina on top Twitter say, make the man resign, cause now for the benefit of the family and not themselves.
Gloria from Kaduna. I never talk with her. I want to talk. Gloria, good evening.
All right, good evening.
Good evening.
Sister, how is you?
I'm fine.
If not you-
Kasim, good evening.
Good evening. How now? It's
I'm
so
fine.
sweet
You're
to talk to
looking
you
beautiful
today.
this evening.
Hello?
Yes.
Good evening.
Good like say you
I
don't hear
want
what you talk.
to
Say you're looking for
Gloria,
this
Gloria.
what my sister said. Let the man
Gloria,
resign.
wait.
Okay, my
Gloria, are you calling us for the first time today?
yes, I'm calling for the first time today.
Continue.
All right. Let the man resign.
Okay.
You know, say this country hard these days. You understand?
Okay.
When children school fees, they see house rent, everything. So me, I advise, may the man resign, may the wife continue to the work.
All right. Thank you very much, Gloria. Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
From Abuja, good evening. Isibit will come to you. No worry. Good evening. Akban.
Agbanudo.
Akbanudo. Akbanudo. Okay. Back to you.
Now, see, funny enough, something similar like this don't happen, which I noticed. But I'm not going to call the name of the company.
Yeah.
So this man and this woman, they work for the same company. But this woman, her department, now then they in charge of like all this kind of HR role or this.
Before you continue, you know, so this thing don't happen for you. I will tell you the department where it happened to.
So,
continue.
So they're going to run paro like that. And as they run paro, and of which where this lady day, now then they assign people they go field.
Yes.
Now all your company.
You know the person we happen.
Now then they assign person they go field, say go for this rig, go this rig, go with these people, go work with them. And that place with this lady office. If you give them your CV, that lady go make sure your job short for you. But the husband department not to get level.
Okay.
But also say they can't say they won't do redundancy. They can't say they won't drop demand. You understand? Okay, now imagine that kind of person and they are 2 days together. You can't tell your wife, leave house, say you want the work. How now want to survive? I know in the past say, I don't live exclusive life before. I know say money go there, all right.
It be like say the bottom line of all this song now money.
Yes. Wait. Una they look me I dey see beyond money.
I know.
They look beyond money. Not be just money.
Nedu no go fit sit down for
house.
Not
just money.
Nedu no go fit sit down
for Kaduna,
house.
good evening.
It okay, but
Good evening.
Good evening.
Ramatu, good evening.
Good evening.
Now your first time when they call us with this?
Yes, so. Good evening, Edu.
Good evening.
Very first time.
Okay.
I better make you greet Easy B. Tell them say all those in girlfriends. Me, I want to take over.
Hey! Ramatu! Hey! Is it that thing why I talk? That thing why I talk? Oh! That juju! Oh! Continue, Ramatu. What do you get to talk about this matter?
Wait till I been they talk say make the woman resign. The man go grow.
Make the woman resign, Abi?
Yes.
Why you feel to make the woman resign? Why you feel to make the woman resign? Your TV there too loud, Ramatu.
Yes, make you resign.
Okay, leave her like
thank you very much.
Thank you, Ramatu.
Thank you. From Kaduna too. Good evening.
From Kaduna again.
Una allow my credit don't finish.
Hey, okay. Make we do shaka for you.
No, we could send you to Ramatu for the same Kaduna there.
Hello.
Hello.
Me, I in the opinion say make the man resign.
Okay.
Why make the man resign?
Why make the man resign?
Because this country, at least, if agreement there and
Hey!
Floxy go blame us say now we cause am.
Floxy, call us back. See, I get several reasons wey make me go choose make the woman resign.
Pius Chido say, Nedu, I can only advise the man to resign if na Yoruba woman be the wife. But if na Igbo woman, make him not try am.
Oh.
Sisi say, if na me be the man, I could resign because my wife get the highest salary. After all, no be pride. The children could chop if the man no do so.
Okay.
Ago Destiny say, if he be say the woman no be knocking woman, he could better make the man step down. Hannah say, no matter how rich woman they won't feel say the man they take care of them. Or them go begin throw am for the man face. Make the wife stop to work.
I know what I'm talking about. From Port Harcourt, good evening.
No be every woman be like that, Nedu.
I know.
No be every woman be like that.
Now morning that they look.
No.
And Port Harcourt, good evening.
I don't agree.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening. How you doing? Now your first time to call us with this.
This is my first time. Give me a second.
Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, continue. My brother, we full ground. If not you,
listen, I tell them I'm making go resign, making go keep children for us.
All right, that's it. Thank you very much. Anyway, make we enter market when they come back. Still on top of the night show.